when we brought over Operation Paperclip scientists, so Nazi scientists, if there's kind of a collaboration in crash retrieval groups today, even in 2023, you had a Canadian defense member or parliament member, Larry Maguire, who wrote to the head of Canadian Defense wanting to bring the Canadian people up to speed on UFO programs because there was an active Five Eyes nation that was working together on material exploitation and so forth.
Well, there's a scientific principle called the Kawanda effect, and it involves stabilizing basically a saucer-like craft. And there's this guy, Henry Kawanda was this guy's Romanian scientist. He has a patent on this from 1936. And I think at points he was in Vichy, France, but he basically was forced to work under the Nazis. And then he was taken to Wright-Patterson to work on Project Y, which was an extension of the Avrocar project, which is trying to get flying saucers to work. And so, and then William Steinman connects this with Thomas Townsend Brown and his gravity experiments, where they were coordinating with Thomas Townsend Brown and wanted to see if the gravity stuff worked so they could incorporate it into these saucers or whatever that they had.
I wonder how much that collaboration takes place because, you know, in Grush's News Nation interview, he talks about like a multi-decade Cold War with our adversaries we can assume is Russia and China. I think back to Jonathan Weygandt's encounter in '97 in Peru. Once he sees the UFO, he's taken in by these guys in DOE's rain jackets.